Hey friends, I want to share some oils and some techniques that I like to use to help set an intention for myself and a commitment for myself. So the first step that is important to take is to release something that might be blocking you from getting there. So one simple thing to set this intention and commitment for yourself. So today is the 2nd of January, and if you haven't already done so, then it's also the new moon, and it's a great time to set an intention not only for the full year, but as well just even for the month. You can take a smaller step that way and set the intention for like a whole month, that commitment to yourself for a whole month rather than a whole year if that's too intimidating. So the first thing I like to do is to actually write down at least one thing that I want to let go of. And a common thing would be for me, such as criticism, like self-criticism is a big one, or perfectionism. I think a lot of people deal with that. I know I do. And that is something that I intentionally want to release. First thing is it's good to make a little bit of room for what you want to make room for. So get rid of something just like we do, get rid of stuff in the house so we can make room for what we actually want. And maybe that's actually space and we don't need to fill it up with anything else. Maybe that is your only intention, is to let go of criticism or let go of perfection. But it is nice sometimes to fill it with a habit or something that you want that fills up that space to replace it. Because if we don't replace it, then sometimes bad habits can come back in. Does that make sense? What are you going to hold on to that's nourishing to you to keep up that good habit? So one of the oils that I loved, this was the first oil I started with, I've talked about this a few times, is clary sage. Clary sage is the oil of clarity and vision, and you can use this regularly as you're trying to get more clarity onto what it is that you need, maybe what it is that you need to let go of, and what it is that you need more of in your life, like what's going to actually nourish you and what's good for you. This oil has done wonders for me. So the oil of clarity and vision, clary sage. I'm going to show you a couple techniques to use it. I like to use it just on my forehead there. It helps with concentration. I can smell it a little bit. If you don't know the quality of the oil you have, I recommend diluting it with a gentle vegetable oil, such as fractionated coconut oil, so that it doesn't hurt your skin. I know the quality of this oil, and so I am safe to use it neat. I also love to use it in the back of my neck. I will give you a blend as well with these oils at the end. The next one is coriander. Coriander seed, and it's the oil of personal integrity. This is very important because often many of us might fall into the people pleaser where we do something to prove ourselves to somebody else, or we do something to be accepted by somebody or a group of people. And that makes it so that we have a lack of integrity for ourselves and our own truth. And sometimes we lose sight of what is actually really important to us. So the oil of personal integrity, coriander, and it's coriander seed, is a beautiful oil to have. So this one, you can actually eat it as well. There's a little supplement fact there, but I like use it over the diaphragm here. So that's something that you can just quickly do. Now, again, I'm going to add this in the blend if you'd rather have it in a blend. Personal integrity is very important. And the last one is Bergamot, the oil of self-acceptance and confidence. Because sometimes we need a little bit more kick into that personal that integrity. First, the vision of what is important for us, that personal integrity, and this is self-acceptance and confidence so that we can keep rolling, we can keep going in what is really good for us. So bergamot, just a note here, this one also has a supplement fact. Any of these oils, if you don't know the quality, make sure to use a carrier oil. But bergamot is a citrus oil, and if you're in a sunny place, make sure that you use it in an area of the body that's not going to be exposed to sunlight, because that can create a burn. So bergamot here, I'm just going to put a drop over the heart center, which is in the center of the chest, in between, like right there, in between your breasts. Bergamot. Now you can continue to use those in the ways I just showed you, or you could do a blend with a couple drops of clary sage, 1 drop of coriander, and 3 drops of bergamot in the diffuser, or add it in a little 5 milliliter bottle, and you can put that on daily until you feel that momentum, until you've set in that new habit. I wish you the best of luck into setting in your commitment to yourself. Beautiful blessings, and please let me know how the blend goes for you. I would so love to hear back from you. Next time.